everyone, welcome back to Layman Solution. In this video we're gonna see how you can fix Instagram could not refresh feed error. The first thing you should be doing before going for any other method is checking if your app is up to date or not. Here the app is not up to date, so click on the update option to get your app updated. Apart from that, let's head to the main solution. Go to your phone setting option. Click on dual SIM and mobile network. Click on your SIM card. Click on access point name. Now click on the reset option given here. After clicking on the reset button, your problem will get solved. So close this setting. Head to the Instagram app and see if your problem still continues. So this was it. Your problem is solved now. If you have any query, feel free to ask that in the comment section. Thank you so much.